Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to claim Agoda Cashback rewards. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your web browser, and then on the search bar simply type in agoda.com, and once the homepage loads, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, the next step is to book a hotel. So what you need to do is just enter in your destination and the date where you want to book your hotels, and on searching for hotels you should look for the hotels that says get certain percent of Agoda cash for your next trip. So once you select this hotel, you'll be able to get a Agoda cashback, which is the certain percentage, and once that is applied, all you gotta do is enter in your contact details and fill up the confirmation page. And once that's done, you'll be successfully able to claim Agoda Cashback rewards. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.